The Globalyceum American History platform contains so many options for professors, it will amaze you. Here is the instructor portal where you create a textbook and curriculum in the middle section by dragging and dropping over items from our platform library on the right. There are 70 chapter readings by award-winning authors in American history, accompanied by full test banks with 24 questions each. But there is so much more. Globalyceum prides itself on innovations in critical thinking, active learning, and college writing. We have 130 writing response and critical thinking activities in American history that train your students to think and write at the analytical level. At the heart of each of these activities are a primary source that expands on the readings, a context-building background for the source, and an analytical question that inspires students' short writing responses and analyses. And notice the blue icon on the right. All of our content is ADA accessible by clicking on this portal. Now, what is really exciting? We have built an integration platform that connects our activities with AI as demonstrated in the graph here. Our AI writing integration keys on the really important skill of revision and improvement, which so many students lack coming to college. Students do not access AI. Instead, our integration uses AI to read student writing samples and then comments on and rates student revisions. Through multiple revisions, it shapes student writing in the direction of concise, thesis-driven, evidence-proving samples. You, however, have the final say on grading. AI suggests, but you post the final grade, including your grade edits and comments. Most of our activities have a choice of manual or AI grading, and we are adding more all of the time. The activities that currently have the AI grading option are marked with AI. Moreover, if you are interested in building student writing up to the 5-paragraph essay level using American History primary sources, you can consider our writing workshops, which are available in each unit. Globalyceum has numerous other features. You have polling technology built into activities, alternative testing strategies in the test banks folder, plus we have a 24-hour alert to students when due dates are coming up. And if you are interested in active learning and group work, Globalyceum has attached to each of our activities and assessments a group grading software where you assign groups. Students then problem solve together and digitally submit assignments for grading as a group. The feature really takes the paper shuffle out of managing groups for active learning. We also have an activities resources section for professor customization of curriculum. Go into the portal and you will be able to create your own quizzes using your own questions or ours with the ability to edit questions extensively. You can also create polls and upload and present to students documents such as maps, charts, images, videos, and other items off of your desktop or the internet. And you can also create and present discussion boards, which we call threads. Your customized assignments are saved into folders, so they are available to drag and drop over into future courses. Rest assured, we integrate with the major LMSs. Our integration officer does the setup with your college technology division. Support on Globalyceum is rated the very best by our professor community. You have detailed and prompt student and professor support. We know the last thing you want is a help desk, so you have direct email and text to an assigned professor advocate 7 days a week. Thank you so much for your time. I am Pat Don, co-founder of Globalyceum and former professor of history at San Jose State University.